Firebox 5-way cookware was designed specifically for the legacy G2 5-inch Firebox stove, the original classic that started the wood-burning stove craze. Even after more than 10 years, it still reigns supreme. Its amazing versatility, performance, and durability remains unmatched. The G2 5-inch Firebox stove, along with all its accessory plates, fit down in the bottom of the 1-inch and 3-inch 5-way cookware for convenient storage and transport. The combination of the G2 5-inch Firebox stove and the 5-way cookware creates an exceptional portable grill. No need for starting charcoal or waiting for the fire to burn down to coals. Now you can quickly and conveniently grill over a wood fire with gathered sticks and twigs. Firebox stove fans have long wanted a pedestal so they can use their wood-fired Firebox stoves on a picnic table. The 5-way grill patterns lock the G2 5-inch Firebox into place, rock solid and very stable. No sliding, no tipping. The grill pattern also locks the 5-way into position when using the 5-way as a skillet on top, making it an extension of the stove itself. This transforms your Firebox into a more serious cooking system that feels like cooking at home. The Firebox 5-way cookware is a camp kitchen powerhouse. If you don't already have one, it's time to consider adding this timeless classic to your culinary arsenal. Happy fireboxing, everybody!